All right, getting ready for some freezing weather. The bees are out here flying, but it's cold and the sun has left the landing board. They were buzzing around a lot about an hour or so ago. Pulled the bottom board. This is day 4, 45 mites, so we're looking better. I'll probably follow up with another treatment when they break cluster. All right, Lil'Hive is looking messy, but sealing up a little bit. The big hint that I got was, actually it wasn't a hint till after the fact, but there were a lot of flies on the landing board a couple days ago. And when I pulled out the hive gate that I had closed off, there was a bunch of dead bees and they really stunk. And there was some bees that were also, let me get sun here. There were also bees that were dead inside, kind of on the right side is where they were. It was looking really good, day 4. I hardly see a brown speckle at all. I got 1, 2, maybe 3, 4. That's a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. A little bit more than 25, or about 25. I thought I saw one moving. Their color is lighter, so these are like juvenile ones. They're not the founders. So you can see how this fits better. Since I moved the Reflectix down underneath, I had to trim about a ½ inch off of each side, and then it just lays in the bottom. And the benefits of that, well, there's really no bad to it. I don't really use the numbers, I just count the mites. But it gives more room in here for the bottom tray, which serves a great purpose that, nobody ever says it, but carbon dioxide is heavier than air. So it will pool down in the bottom there. And I'm thinking that when I put my O2 sensor in, I'm probably going to just stick it down in there to start with. Because that's where the highest concentrations of CO2 will be, down on the bottom. It drops down to the bottom of the hive. And the oxygen rich environment would be at the top of the hive. So we'll see how that goes. So I'm improving my blocking of the ventilation on my Apimaye wood bottom board. My little hive is getting drafty inside. There's vents all along here, and then the big vents, and then vents up front. And so I put some double bubble on the bottom of it. I have other ones that I've done where I put it up here, but I'm trying to do it from the bottom now. That'll give me, it'll allow more of the diatomaceous earth and also my mite board to work better, and hoping that it'll seal it up better. So I extend this out over, have to leave it open at the ends, and you'll see here when I slide it in, it's got to go above that and that, and then it just slides in. And so it's kind of loosely, it's loose up here, but holding less of a draft to get up past the other stuff. Seems to fit pretty good. And I've put the double bubble and then the Reflectix tape around it. So we'll see. But this is what the wood bottom board looks like. This is great because you can really see what's happening on your bottom board by what comes through. On this hive, I actually waxed these side ones already, but on my little hive, I haven't done that. And I imagine they probably have propolized that a little bit on my other hive. And then there's some vents up here. And so that's it. Kind of get a look at what the bottom board does. So I'll go try it out on the other hive and see what happens. Oh, I poked little holes through.